Hello viewers, myself Dr. Sendil Kumar, working as a professor and head Department of Automobile Engineering at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, I am going to discuss about a case on electric vehicles and hybrid electric vehicles. So we are all know electric vehicle is the vehicle which is used electric power to run the vehicle, whereas hybrid electric vehicles, we know the word hybrid means dual power. One is from electric and another one is from gasoline may be either petrol or diesel power is used. See, here the hybrid electric powertrain, that is a parallel hybrid electric powertrain is shown in the figure. See, look at this diagram. Here the power is given to the wheel, both engine and electric motor. So both the power, that is power from electric motor and power from gasoline engine are parallel together. That means here the electric motor and engine is connected with the coupler, and the coupler has decided which power has to be given to the wheel through differential. This dark color indicates the connection established through mechanical means. And the engine is run through gasoline. That gasoline may be petrol or diesel. That power is given to the coupler, and the coupler is transferred the power through differential and then wheel. Whereas the electric motor is running with the help of battery. This converter is used to extract power from battery and given to the electric motor for running. So in some cases, you suppose if the vehicle is running or by constant speed, during that period that petrol engine, that gasoline engine has stopped, only electric is running. And similarly, when vehicle is start to moving, that electric power is used. When we applying a brake, the regenerative braking technique is used. That time that electric motor is act as a generator and generate the power, and this converter is used to store the energy in the battery. This converter and controller taking care of the charging and discharging of the battery. And look at this diagram. This is the series hybrid electric vehicle powertrain. Here the power flow is in a straight line manner. That is, the engine is connected with the generator. Generator is generating the power, and the power is controlled by means of charger. That charger is used to charge the battery and taking the power. Here sometimes the flywheel are used, or sometimes capacitor is used. Capacitor, the difference, basic difference between the capacitor and battery is that battery is storing the power and discharging the power for a longer period of time, whereas the capacitor is storing the power and discharging in a shorter period of time. For example, sometimes the motor is need more power for giving a much torque, and this battery again is connected with the converter and then electric motor. See here, this, look at this diagram. Here the engine power does not go through the differential straight away. That engine is used for only generating the electricity by means of generator, and then that separate electric motor is used to run the vehicle through. That means power is transferred through differential and then wheel. So this is how the hybrid electric vehicle parallel and series type are used. And look at this slide. This slide gives the insight on the basic difference between IC engine and electric vehicle means. Here the power is produced through IC engine, that may be a petrol engine or diesel engine, whereas in that electric powertrain the motor is used. Sometimes if we used hybrid electric means the engine also used. And in that IC engine, high specific energy of fuel is used. Here low specific energy of battery is enough. That power density is high. Here the power density is very low. It emits the greenhouse gases. That means in the hybrid IC engine, whereas in that electric vehicle there is no tailpipe. Here in the IC engine, for filling of tank, it goes 300 miles approximately, whereas in the electric vehicle, per full charge it travels a maximum of 100 to 200 miles. And the time taken for filling the fuel is less than 5 minutes, whereas here the battery is taking much time for charging. Minimum half an hour to full charge, it will take sometimes 8 hours. And fuel tanks takes the less space. Here battery takes a large space. Fuel weight is very low and battery are heavy. Here higher maintenance cost because the moving parts are high. Here lesser maintenance because the motor is operating in very simple basic mechanism, and here braking energy is not recovered in the IC engine, whereas in this regenerative braking technique is used for getting braking energy and it's stored in the battery for further running. And also here the fuel cost is high for nowadays, so hence running cost is high, whereas here running cost is very low because that electric, domestic electric or commercial electric power is available with a very optimum cost. And the efficiency of the engine is at the maximum of 30%, whereas the electric motor efficiency normally it's 80%. And this IC engine needs a complex gearing system, whereas electric motor no need of gearing mechanism, it's straight away connected with the wheel. In that IC engine it's a noise operation, it's a very quiet operation. Ample refilling infrastructures are available because government petrol pump are established in all over the country, whereas in the charging infrastructure is very low, and IC engines need to pick up some speed to deliver maximum torque, whereas this electric vehicle produces a maximum torque instantly after starting the motor. Use only hydrocarbons. Here the electricity is used from many sources. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are all understood the advantages and disadvantages of the conventionally available IC engine and electric vehicle. Thank you.